without worrying about where the person is sitting, where to zoom, whom to zoom. So this is best where you have interactive sessions, collaborative sessions, especially for training purpose, your universities. This one is great. So as I just said, if I was presenting and you are sitting in another room, automatically the camera zooms at me once I start speaking, and if I'm making some whiteboard presentation, automatically again zooms back to me. So on the large screen you can see the presentation. Plus it is a touch screen. So if I want to explain anything, and once I'm in a call, content, visual. So now I can start annotation. So it's a complete package. So everything is in the box.
Which device you
Group
says push to something?
This is visual board.
This one?
This is screen. This is push content. You can connect to the content cable or click share. Or you can use Polycom People plus IP content software to push the content from the laptop. Yeah. So this is additional.
You are
touch
pushing
screen.
from which device?
I'm pushing from the screen. This one.
Yeah.
This is from this.
Just codec.
From the codec. Local. Because it's a touch screen, I can just push it from here and I can do some presentation. So this content is pushed locally from this system itself, not from my laptop, not from anyone's laptop. This is going from the local system.
Would there an option to keep this screen in different rooms? For example,
No, this comes as a complete package.
Okay.
Then you have another camera called as CX 500. So that can be put as a camera, and then whatever screen you want to buy. This is a complete whole package. So right now you get it with 4 screens. Why 4 screens? Because people sitting with
You see both.
360.
You see both.
Yeah. So typically the size of the room will be, this is your table, rectangular shape, and people will sit everywhere, all the 3 sides. Okay, or even in horseshoe formation. So what you can do is, you can remove this portion and put this central in between. And the main challenge, the person who is sitting here cannot see person sitting here very clear. So when you are central, this guy speaking will be zoomed on the screen so that this can see here. Plus, when you do a video call to another video endpoint, then you can see the active speaker in a complete room view, panoramic view on the top. And again, as a presenter, I don't need to stay at one particular location. I can move around when I'm explaining. Imagine I have 2-3 screens. I have to explain something here, I have to explain something here, I have to explain something here. So I have to keep moving, and all the time I have to keep adjusting my camera. So here I don't need to worry because the camera will focus, will keep tracking me. Whether I come here or there. Active speaker, automatically it will track. That's the benefit.
Where did the codec get?
Inside.
Inside.
It's very easy to configure also. Just whatever you see is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just a connection. Inside this, if you open this, you just see the connection. Rest,
Yeah,
everything,
I guess,
codec and all, everything is fixed in the box. In
You
this.
use communication also, unified communication, or writing.
Everything, yes.
And
Everything.
Which groups it is? Sorry, sir.
It should be group 500. Again, this has not, it's it's not like the group system what we use.
Okay.
Okay, the one which is outside. This is everything inside. So you cannot even see what is inside.
Integrated.
Everything integrated. There's a chips and all. You know, there's a whole solution. So you cannot like remove it and put something else. No. So what you see is only the connectors. Cable connector and RJ45 for network, USB, that's it. That's what you see. HDMI to connect to laptop. Rest everything is inside.
It's good. Good solution.
So it comes as a complete box when you buy order. Complete box means it contains everything. Camera, 4 screens, the group system, the codec, yeah, everything. The speakers, microphones, everything is embedded. It's a complete kit, you can say.